Okay, so this voiceover won't be as long as it was in the other video, and it won't happen as frequently. Actually, this should be the only one. I just wanted to say that the reason there is another severe lack of clips in this one is because the RV flooded, which, I mean, of course it did. And you can watch throughout the video to find out where that goes. So, enjoy.
So they're out at the shed. I just want to show some of the water damage that's been done. We're getting a lot of crap from this window. It's actually really aggravating. That stream is on the outside, but I can't really tell where it's coming in from, if I'm being completely honest. I mean, there's drips, but with how much is across this thing, it looks like it has been... Wait. Oh my god, I did not... Yeah, that's not good. I'll get back to that. There's also water coming through right here, but we're going to use Flex Seal on that. It's created a little stream, which isn't fun. This thing is cut. We have our work cut out for us. Austin, I found...
Alright, so, we found out one thing. That is a lot of leaking, and it's gonna flood if we're not quick enough. The rain's kind of letting up at the moment.
I don't know if you know, but RV's leaking.
Okay, well, it's gonna flood if we don't fix it quick, so we're about to have to make a run to the hardware store, buy some tarps, duct tape, and probably spend well over $100 worth of crap so we could fix it. This was not expected. This has never happened, so we'll have to see. What say you?
I don't know. It's a problem.
Yeah.
We
had the tarp on the roof wasn't long enough, and water's getting underneath it, which is what was causing the leaking from that AC vent. And there's wasp in the roof.
We might need to buy a couple, like, fucking not towels, but we need something to soak up some of the water on the top.
I come.
All right, so we're back. It has stopped raining. It's about an hour later. We have all the supplies we need: tarps, tape, axe handles.
If you're curious, we spent $144 at said food store.
Because we care.
Hey, Phil Swift, we bought some of your crap. Give us a sponsor.
Please.
We need money.
Oh, it wasn't video. Oh, kill me. All right.
I'll do it again.
Focus on it. All right. So after a trip to the hardware store, we spent $144, and we got all this. We've got 2 pairs of gloves. We've got pry bars, 2 X-Acto knives, I guess you could call them. Some of this to fix the hole that we made in the wall.
Use a lead pipe to break an arm off of a chair.
You told me to do it, jackass!
We got tape and some Flex Seal. Phil Swift, sponsor us, please. And we got 2 tarps to put on the roof. And some economy grade electrical tape. Don't
Only
forget
99
the electrical
cents.
tape.
We couldn't afford the business.
So the rain's kind of slacked up, so we're going to go try to put those on the roof. Godspeed. Alright, so we're going to try to get this thing down because it's leaking. You can see that hole right up in there. So what we plan to do is pull this down a little bit, see if we can patch it and probably get some of this wall off. That thing doesn't come down. Because we got, not the wall, the roof, sorry. We got most of this roof off right around there. Dallas, what are you doing back there?
Not knowing how to use a drill.
Alright. So, yeah, we're going to have the GoPro in a minute, so this will stop being just hell to watch. So, yeah.
Ceiling? Like,
Alright, well, we were ripping the ceiling out. There's a wasp nest in there, maybe.
Oh, it's leaking.
It's all going to hell.
Cold and raining. Today is the...
This couldn't have happened whenever it was just a time not like this.
And action.
We're screwed. There's a lot of water damage. And I can't get this wheel. But, depending on the severity,
Out of the damn way.
water damage. I don't even know what I'm cutting into right now.
Wood, get out of there.
Styrofoam underneath it.
Probably.
And I'm stopping the video.
Alright, so what we're doing is this piece is still dripping, and we're trying to find out the extent of the water damage, which it looks like it's mostly just on that side. So we've got to get all this off to begin with. So we're gonna.
trying to go to the roof and see.
That's what I'll have to do in a minute. But we're gonna take this part off right here too. Make sure there's nothing wrong with it, and then we're gonna have to assess the damage from there. So yeah.
Oh, this was water that was caught.
It was leaking from there, so we put a bucket. We just saved so much water damage. After a town run where we bought those pieces of plywood to put up there, more Flex Seal products and more Flex products in general, and a few other odds and ends, we spent about $32 at Lowe's and a crisp $74 at the hardware store. So I'll add that to a little counter, like right there. To a little counter, like right there. Okay, here's our jerry-rigged tarps that we have up here, which we didn't get to show you because the GoPro wasn't charged. But the hole is right under here, which I don't know if we haven't talked about it. Dallas accidentally stabbed a hole in this rubber roof right there, and that goes.
Yeah, then put our bucket back underneath.
That goes all the way down into the RV. So we're gonna attempt to fix that right now. Stop. All right, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of this adhesive over it so the tape will actually. Okay. So the tape will actually stick. So we sprayed a little bit over right there. So that'll actually have something to stick on, because if not, flex tape doesn't stick to this rubber roof. Phil Swift, get on that. Or are you gonna cut that?
Gavin!
So then we're gonna put this stuff over it, which is just used to, we're gonna use that to cover it right there and get kind of one of these roofs, but you know, better. We're gonna use this to spread it, and then hopefully we'll have somewhat of a functioning roof. And yes, random Redditor, I know we're doing it wrong, and I'm sure there's a better way to do it.